These are the elevators of the Cornhusker Plaza in Lincoln, Nebraska. These are original Westinghouse from 1983. This is a 1080p 60 frames. Which one's gonna be? That one again. Listen, that dinner bell. In 2013, these elevators are getting modernized. Let's go to LL. Here we go. Traction. Here are LL. Let's go to 7. Here we go. Here are 7. Let's go back down the lobby. Fornicator. Westinghouse. Here are the lobby. Alright, and that's it. Alright, that's it.